Hi, bread friends. It's me, Ellen. Kind of late at night. Oh, 9:45, not that late. I want to tell you that my master butter dough recipe that I use for cinnamon rolls, dinner rolls, hamburger buns, hot dog buns, monkey bread. Um, since I did it in the very beginning, I kind of didn't know what I was doing. I'd converted it. I'd written it in cups and spoons first and whatever. And so it was not actually a 2-pound recipe, but a 1.5-pound recipe. So my husband helped me do the math because forget it. And so now I have it on my website and I'll link it here. I have it in 3 sizes. I have it in 2-pound, the original 1.5-pound, and 1-pound that I make in what I call the baby, which is my Zojirushi Maestro 1-pound bread machine. I'm actually having pretty good luck just cutting my recipes in half, not changing anything but half, and it working. However, if the recipe has 1 egg, you kind of can't cut an egg in it. Well, I guess you could beat it and then weigh it and weigh half. Anyway, all 3 of these sizes are for 1, 1.5, and 2 have 1 egg. So it could taste ever so slightly difference between the sizes, but it's good. I promise it's good because I've made it. So I will link it below. Remember, just go under this video, under the video window thingy, and there is a description of the video, which usually you have to click on the word more. It's in bold. Click on more. It expands the description. Then I tell what the video is about and how to find the recipe. It's just a click on more, and then the PDF for the recipe is right there. You can also go to my website, EllentheBreadMachineRecipes.com. See ya.